Thank you, Amma. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. One is I'm going to show you the fishing village in Teluk Bahang. And the second, my mother is going to share her recipe, a very simple recipe. She's going to show us how she make bitter gourd with salted egg, a dark salted egg. In Hokkien, she call it kokwa cha yam anoi. I'm in Pulau Penang, Penang Island, Malaysia. This is Teluk Bahang Beach. And behind me, or where I'm standing, is the Angsana Resort Hotel. It's the latest hotel in Penang Island. I'm here at Teluk Bahang village. I'm just going to walk through behind me to get to the beach. Long stretch of beach in Penang is really lovely. Down there, there's the national park, and you can actually hike there. It is really lovely. I've done it a few times. And Penang is not just about food. When you come to Penang, you have to explore the nature part of Penang Island. I think this place right here is where they rescue stray cats and they keep them over here in this beautiful spot in Teluk Bahang. Kitty cat. Hello. You see a camera. I just love to look at all the fishing boats that's here. And they go out in the early morning to catch the fish. They come back and they sell it over here. So this is a very typical fishing village in Penang. Hello. My mom. Okay. Ma look in GC ai cho me.
Cái gì qua kiếm nuôi cha khó qua. Đó qua tổng kiếm check kiếm nuôi à, chỉ là suy rồi qua, anh này suy, đó, đó là khó qua lo.
Khó qua English là kêu bitter gourd.
À là大葱加番椒是确定炒的是参路啲嘢啦。
Okay, so there's onions and chili.
個蝦咯。
蝦 is prawns, okay.
這是成道面咯，姜加蒜頭咯。
啊，這裡是
蒜頭。
garlic, minced garlic, and ginger, 姜。
安尼樣啦。
Okay, okay.
簡單樣啦。
安尼樣。
啊，這個苦瓜咧就要下鹽。
But like, going to put salt.
就要下鹽。
Okay, okay.
下鹽醃伊。
Okay, what mom is doing is she's actually seasoning the bitter gourd with some salt. So that's what she's doing over here. And then she's going to let it sit for a while. I think lo cua ma. Okay, so it's about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Lucy, can I all ye? Oh, all here. All here.
Hè tầm bùa tàu yếu nè hả?
Okay, lấy hai tầm bùa tàu
yếu. Hè tầm bùa tàu yếu bị sai hè giảm. Rồi dòng người sẽ giảm nhớ mà. Đã hè cái hè tầm bùa tàu yếu đó. Rồi hè ủi tàu đó.
Okay, so the prawn you season it with a little bit of light soy sauce and chile. I say
海鲜这个伊会咸合格。
Okay, so for bitter gourd, you need to rinse off the salt. So it's not going to be salty. 伊盐是接伊的烤的物件嘛？Right, right. So to soak the bitter gourd with salt is to help absorb some of the bitterness, and then you just rinse it off, and so the bitter gourd is not going to be too bitter. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. So you rinse it and then only you fry it. Okay. Mom is saying that rinse it for 2 or 3 times. She has preheated the frying pan, and she's going to add some oil. She's added in just half of the salted egg, a little bit more. Here. Okay, she's gonna put all of it. What Mom did was she tastes the sauce and to see if there's enough salted egg, and she adjusts accordingly. So she started off with just half, and then she tasted it, and if it's not enough, she added more salted egg. So you really need to adjust and see how salty you want the dish, and adjust accordingly.
Hello.
That is my mother's salted egg bitter gourd. Wow. Thank you, Amma. If you enjoy watching today's video, a little bit on the Teluk Bahang fishing village and the simple recipe that my mother has shared with us on how to make bitter gourd with dark salted egg. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.